Thank you for joining me. I am currently here at Rockaway Beach. The water temps are incredibly warm, about 80, 79, 80 degrees, which is Miami warm, which is tropical warm. And we are under a tropical storm warning because of Faye coming our way, or coming my way right now. Due to the excessively warm water temperatures off of New York, due to the Gulf Stream coming closer, tropical storm force winds will likely extend to the west side of the storm, as it will regain fully tropical characteristics over the next 12 to 24 hours before it makes landfall in the New York City area or along the Jersey Shore later tomorrow night. Landfall should occur in the New York City area early in the morning, around 3 or 4 a.m. Saturday morning. Wind speeds should be anywhere from 40 to 60 miles per hour, with gusts up to 70 miles per hour. Gusts should be as high as 70, especially out on Long Island, where they will be in the right front quadrant of the storm. These high clouds are all from Faye. These are Faye's clouds. And if you look really far, you can see the dense overcast over there and what appears to be towers, but those are just some cumulus clouds. Those are some thunder showers from the far outer fringes of Faye. The rain from Faye will not reach New York City. The rain from Faye will not hit New York until tomorrow morning. So another, I would say, 12 hours until it starts raining in New York. Tomorrow, for most of the day, in the city, it will be breezy and rainy, with east and northeast winds at 15 to 25 miles per hour, with gusts up to 30, getting slowly stronger throughout the day. Gusts should be 40 to 50 by about 10 p.m. tomorrow evening, and gusts should peak at around 70 miles per hour later tomorrow night, towards daybreak. And then as the storm leaves, you'll have some gusty winds on the backside of the storm. And look what I've been finding here at the beach. Hold on. Hold on. Look what I've been finding on the beach here. See? Little sand fleas. These little sand fleas here are typically found in tropical and subtropical climates, which is indicative of how warm the waters are. Look, here's a sand flea right here, look. Hold on. Look at the sand flea, hold on. Yeah, it usually digs in softer sand. Hold on. Here. See that? Let me show you again, just so you can see. Hold on. Let the water recede. Okay, I'm holding it. There. I moved it further back so it doesn't get swept out, because the water right now is very rough. And very likely the ocean, where it is now, at the peak of the storm, when you'll be having the very strong southerly winds, will be as far back as the dunes over there. So you can see the greens on the dune, you see some of the grass there. That was planted as a restoration project after Hurricane Sandy to restore the grasslands there, because they weren't really there before Sandy. And the purpose of those grasslands is to absorb water to prevent coastal flooding. Same purpose as those rocks, to break up large waves before they hit the shore. So these rocks basically break up large waves, and so they will have less power when they get to the dunes. Despite that, Hurricane Sandy still flooded this area really bad. You know, because it was basically a Category 3 hurricane. Just it didn't have Category 1 wind, 3 winds here. I'm talking about here, it was out of a Category 3 hurricane. The pressures were that low. The wind field was even bigger than a Cat 5 in terms of how wide it was, and you had a astronomically high tide. So coastal flooding was that of a category of a strong Cat 2. Like Ike, it was kind of like Hurricane Ike in Texas in 2008. Okay, guys, I have to go right now. My prediction is for a 65 to 70 mile per hour tropical storm. And I'm giving a 5 to 10% chance of a hurricane. You know, because the water temperatures are very warm. You know, it could still undergo rapid intensification since it's over the very warm waters. But the chance of that is very low, since over the next 6 to 12 hours, they'll be moving out of the Gulf Stream waters into marginally warm water temps. It will still be warm enough to sustain a tropical system, but not warm enough to rapidly intensify a system. So you'll probably have a moderate tropical storm impacting the New York City area, with winds anywhere from 40 to 60 miles per hour sustained. So you'll have strong sustained winds of perhaps 40 to 60 with gusts up to 70. And I'm talking about southerly, and if New York City's gonna be on the left side of the storm, you'll probably have 35 to 45 mile an hour winds with gusts up to about 50 to 60 with heavy rain. So basically a nor'easter. I mean, remember that windstorm we had in April where you had gusts 60 to 70, a lot of rain? It's kind of going to be like that, but maybe a little stronger winds. The winds might be a little stronger, but kind of like that. But there will be a possibility of tornadoes because you might have a strong east wind, but you'll have precip coming in from the southeast. So you could have some rotation along the coast, some water spouts, a couple of spin-ups. So the threat of tornadoes will definitely be there. And also, I'm staying here along the beach because also there's going to be a comet today after sunset. I probably won't be able to see it with my camera, but I do have some binoculars. So I'm staying at my uncle's house here along Rockaway Beach. And I'm going to be on the 9th floor trying to see comet Neowise. So I'm going to try to see comet C/2020 Neowise. Oh my God! So many little sand fleas, baby sand fleas, they're everywhere. They're being washed out. Oh. I got a couple. Okay. Oops, maybe I shouldn't throw them. There's one. Oh shoot, I can't dig. Darn it. The sand's too... Holy crap, look at that big plane. Whoa! Oops. Oh! Okay, I got a bigger one. Got a little bigger sand flea here. One. There's an Embraer. Kind of looks like like a 737. Sounds like one too, but it's not a 737. That's actually an Embraer. That's an Embraer 195. That's a Brazilian aircraft. Faye will not become a hurricane. It will be a tropical storm. Okay, I gotta go right now. Okay, I'm gonna go swim for a little bit. I will do the live stream a little later. I'm not ending it. I'm gonna pause the live stream and I'll resume it a little bit later. Okay, I gotta go. Thanks. But I'm not ending it. I'm pausing my live stream. Holy crap. My shoes almost got swept out to sea.
How is it going, everybody? My name is Johnny Way to West, and we have a little bit of breaking news.